We putting on some duckies today, y'all. Quack, quack, clickety, clack. And I got my EOS body mist in the mail. So, you know, we're going to get into those. So, let's get into it. I'm sorry if that annoyed y'all. But the way these nails are set up, I just been clicking and clacking and clicking and clacking because look at these. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. They are duck nails. I got them from Shein and they are definitely luxury handmade acrylic press on nails, which is why I just can't help it. And we're gonna get into the tutorial and I'm gonna show you guys how I put them on and what I used to put them on, which was little to no supplies because the nails come already ready for you to just put on with some glue. But my EOS body mist came in the mail. If you are not up on the EOS, I'm about to put y'all on. So EOS makes this bomb lotion. EOS means evolution of smooth, and this lotion definitely keeps you nice and smooth all day long. All of them smell so good. Pistachio is my #1 favorite scent, and then my #2 is that jasmine peach. So when they came out with the body mist to go with each lotion scent that they have, I was like, oh, I'm definitely gonna get that pistachio and that jasmine peach. So I got these two. I had 3, but I gave 1 away. So we're gonna get into the pistachio one. I haven't smelled these yet. I waited to get my package so I can, you know, give you guys my live opinion from my first impression on these sprays. So we're gonna get into the pistachio one first. Please smell just like the lotion, please. It smells just like the lotion. Yeah. Oh, they got it right on point with that pistachio. It smells just like the lotion. Now it's gonna be smelling like a yummy vanilla pistachio scoop of ice cream because that is exactly what the pistachio scent gives. Now to the girls that like to layer their lotion, their perfume oil, body spray, and a perfume like I do, and that's how I smell good all day. So I'm finna give y'all a pistachio combo. So start off with this lotion. You're gonna go in with this pistachio dream sand and fog body oil. Spray that EOS creme de pistachio down, and then you're gonna layer over that with this pistachio please body spray by Finery. You're gonna be smelling like a dream all day. Trust me, this is gonna be a bomb body combo. I got the oil from TJ Maxx, Finery spray I got from Target. This also comes in a perfume. This is a whole body combo right here, and you're gonna be smelling so delicious. But let's get into that jasmine peach and see how that one smells. Ooh, this gives exactly what the lotion gives as well. Ooh, it smells so good. EOS definitely got it right because the body mists give exactly what the body lotions give. I ordered these online from the EOS website, but I've been seeing on people's pages on Instagram that they now have them in stores at Targets. They do not have them at the Target near me yet, but you may want to check your local Target or just order them straight from the EOS website. I highly recommend these two. these two let me know that it's safe to buy a couple more of the other scents. So I'm gonna get a couple more, and then once I get those, I'll review those with you guys as well. So yeah, that's my honest review on the EOS body mist. They smell so bomb. Go get y'all some of that body mist. Make sure you grab it and clock it. Let's get into the nail tutorial. So this is the nail glue that I used to put on the nails. It's by Mia's Secret. I got it on Amazon, and I will make sure that I link it in the description of this video along with the link to the nails. So we're gonna start first with the pinky. So I'm starting with my right hand, and I did put on a peel off base coat on my right hand, which is why my nails look so shiny. But as I was applying the nails, the nail glue was not sticking very well to the peel off base coat. So I don't recommend using the Mia's Secret nail glue if you are going to put on a peel off base coat before you start applying your nails, because it took a long time for the nail glue to dry against that peel off base coat. I'm not sure, but I think when you use a peel off base coat, maybe you have to use a gel based glue instead of a regular nail glue. So maybe that's why it was taking so long for the nail glue to dry against that base coat, because normally Mia's Secret dries very quickly and it's really strong. So I was like, oh my goodness, why is it taking so long to stick against the base coats? And I had tried these nails on before, and I think when I put them back on the sticky pad, I mixed them up, because that nail that I was just trying to put on that finger was actually for the middle finger. It was way too big, but this one fits this nail perfectly. But back to this peel off base coat and nail glue situation. So Mia's Secret is a bomb nail glue. I highly recommend it. I just don't recommend it if you are going to apply a peel off base coat before applying your nails. So it has nothing to do with the glue. It's just the fact that I put on a peel off base coat and the glue did not, well, it took a long time for the glue to dry against the peel off base coat. So I highly recommend Mia's Secret nail glue, just not with a peel off base coat. And you'll see the difference when I applied the nails to my left hand, because I did not put a peel off base coat on my left hand. As you can see, my left hand's nails are very dry and not shiny at all. That is because they don't have anything on them. So now I'm going to start applying the nails to my left hand, and like I said, as you can see, they're very dry. I did my normal nail prep that I do. I used the nail file that came with the nails to buff down the shine from the top of my natural nails, and then I sprayed my nails down with a bottle that has half acetone and half alcohol in it. I sprayed the nails down to further dehydrate them. I use that as my nail dehydrator, and then it's time to start applying the nails. At that point, I didn't do my nail prep in this video, but if you are new here, I have so many other videos that show you how to prep your nails before applying press-on nails. And I kind of just explained how I do my prep as well. But if you kind of don't understand my explanation, you can always refer back to my other videos to see how I prep my nails before I put on my press-on nails. And as you guys can see with how I'm applying these nails, it's really simple and easy to put on press-on nails. So I'll kind of walk you guys and talk you guys through the whole process right now. So I'm using a brush-on nail glue, but I'm actually just patting the nail glue onto my natural nail, making sure I create a nice bubble of glue. And then I grab the press-on nail and I line it up with the cuticle area, not touching the skin. I press into the cuticle first, hold that for a good maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and then I continue pressing down. On the center of the nail, I also press against the side walls of the nail, and you want to make sure you are pressing and holding for at least 20 to 30 seconds just to ensure that you have full coverage press and that nail is stuck on there really, really good. You also want to make sure you are applying enough glue. If you do not see a good bubble of glue, you did not put enough and your nail is not going to stick and last for, a week or two. You want to make sure you have a nice bubble of glue. Line that press-on nail up with that cuticle, press and hold into the center of the nail. The side walls, hold and press for 20 to 30 seconds. Put you some cuticle oil on and boom, just like that, you got a bomb fresh set. I give these nails a 10 out of 10 because you literally don't have to put anything additional on them. You don't need no additional base coat, no top coat, no nothing. They come already ready. They're super thick. They are not thin. They will not break on you. The handmade nails on Temu are a little more pricier than your regular standard press-on nails, but they are worth every penny. I believe I paid about $8 for these nails, and it looks like I went to the salon and paid $100 to $150 on some nails like this, because that is what they are charging or more in the nail salon. But no ma'am, I did these in the comfort of my own home, and you can do it too just by simply following my tutorials.